Welcome to the Ashley Milton video tour of the beautiful 2-bedroom property for sale in Brondesbury Park for $985,000, share of freehold. The property is split over the ground floor and the first floor and has the benefit of a gorgeous southwest facing private garden. As you walk into the property, you come into the main reception room, which has beautiful bay window and very high ceilings with marble fireplace. This property is offered in excellent condition, has been thoughtfully refurbished throughout. You've got these lovely blinds that block out a bit more privacy, even though it's a very quiet road, very pretty tree lined road. There's a bit of storage out the front there for a bike, and it is closed in with a hedge. It's very nice and private, yet lets in lots of natural light. It's a very spacious sized living room with wooden floors throughout. As you walk through to the hallway, here you have the master bedroom, which is oozing with light, very airy, very high ceilings, great sized bedroom, lots of fitted wardrobes, and also benefits from direct access to the garden, which is a very nice feature. Like I said, the bedroom is a really nice size. Lots of storage. We come back out into the hallway. You then come down a few stairs, and another benefit of this property is ample storage space by way of a basement here, which is being used, sort of very large space for all your big bulky items to be kept out of the way. What's also nice is it's got this hallway which is very flowy, a really nice space to put some pictures, etc. And then down here you've got a fully tiled marble bathroom. And at the rear of the property is a beautifully spacious eating kitchen with bifolding doors onto the southwest facing garden, which is just perfect for entertaining, especially in the gorgeous weather. The garden is nice and mature, and there's a shed at the end for additional storage as well. Again, I'll just show you a shot of the kitchen area. There we go. And then I'll just take you upstairs. The further bedroom, WC. Made a bit of a feature of the staircase with lots of artwork, which is really nice. And you've got the second bedroom here. Again, really good size, lots of natural light. Perfect second bedroom. And then a bit more storage above there. And a guest WC. Absolutely gorgeous property. Viewings are highly recommended. For more information, please contact Ashley Milton.